Hi all, welcome to CodeML. Today I came up with few more Python interview questions which are asked frequently. So let's start. So the first question is about substring check problem. There is a string given. आप देखते हैं यहाँ पर एक string दी हुई है. Hi, I am CodeML. So we need to check whether any word is present in that string or not. So what we can use if else here. I have done already this one. If high in a string, then print high found, else not found. See, so here high found. If I'll change this to high, then let's check. So not found. So the substring we can check with in and if else condition. So this is the first question. Now let's move on to second question, which is mostly asked is iterable versus iterators. So सबसे ज्यादा ये पूछते हैं कि iterables और iterators क्या होते हैं. Iterables एक्चुअली में जो हमारे लिस्ट और टपल होते हैं, दोज आर iterables. एंड इटरेटर्स, इटरेटर वो मेथड्स होती हैं जिनके थ्रू हम इन इटरेबल्स पे के एक एक एलिमेंट पे इटरेट कर सकें. आई वांट टू चेक ईच एलिमेंट, फॉर एग्जांपल 1 2 3 4 5 इन दिस लिस्ट, सो आई विल यूज द इटरेटर. सो इटरेटर्स के लिए यहाँ पर एक मेथड है, इटर मेथड एंड नेक्स्ट मेथड. So with the help of iter and next method, we check the iterators. See here, the next method will raise a stop iteration exception if there are no further element available. For example, I have given here car, BMW, Audi, Swift and Alto. Now मैंने इस पर iter function apply किया है. I want to iter this object car. So when I iter this car, for iteration I need, for printing the iteration I need to write next. So print next that object iter car, next iter car, iter car, iter car. 4 times I have given because 4 elements are there in this list. Now see here 4 elements came when I run this code. Okay, but अब मुझे ये चेक करना है कि next जो है वो element present है कि नहीं. So अगर हम next time देते हैं, so it will throw an error. See here, what is the error? Stop iteration. So जब वहां पर elements नहीं होते हैं तो it will automatically throw a stop iteration exception in next method. So this is the iter method, and with the help of next method we can print those values. Okay, now the next question is map function and filter function. So जो map function होता है और filter function होता है, सबसे पहले हम इसका syntax देखेंगे. So the syntax is for map and filter is same, function and iterables we use for that. So map function क्या होता है? It takes two input as function and a iterable object. The function is given to map is a normal function. Let's check with the example. See, I have created this function square and I want my this square functions should work for each element in this list. जो मेरा iterable object है ये list, इस पर ये square function काम करे. So how I can make it work? For that we use map function. So when I apply map function for this function and this iterable, it will iterate through each element of this list and it will apply the functionality of this function. For example, यहाँ पर मैंने मुझे square करना है तो it will give square of each element of the list. See here. So like this map function will work. जो map function होता है वो क्या करता है, हर iterable object पे जो given function है उसकी functionality apply करता है. Now filter function. So map function और filter function के जो syntax होते हैं वो same है, but the difference is that कि map function will iterate for each element and give the result for each element. However, filter function also iterate through each element, but the answer should be given based on the condition. See here, for example, यहाँ पर हमने लिया है age and we have given a list of age. Now I have defined a function my function where I have given condition if n is less than 18 return true else false. तो जब मैं ये condition filter function पे use करती हूँ. I have given here the function name, function and the age. That iterable I have given here. So what will be the result? For checking the result, I have given here for condition for x in children, print x. So it will give only those result set which are less than 18. See, and if I have to change this to greater than, now see what will happen. It will give only 34 and 52. So जो filter function होता है, it will filter through that condition in a function which is given. जो function में condition दी होती है उसके according वो list के elements को filter करता है and it will give the result set. So these are the basic questions which mostly asked in interviews. That's all for today, guys. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe the channel. Tata for today. Take care. Bye.